Cloud computing is a term used to describe the use of hardware and software delivered via network, usually the internet. The term comes from the use of cloud-shaped symbol that represents abstraction of rather complex infrastructure that enables the work of software, hardware, computation and remote services. Simply put, cloud computing is computing based on the internet. Cloud computing benefits: number 1, high-speed quick deployment. The ability to spin up new cloud computing instances in a matter of seconds reshape the agility and speed of software development. Developers can easily test new ideas and design application architecture without the dependency on on-site hardware limitations or slow procurement processes. Number 2, automatic software updates and integration. Continuous integration and continuous delivery rely on the fact that new software versions can be easily tested and deployed in the cloud environment, which allows for higher velocity of product innovation, releasing more and more features to the end users on a monthly, weekly, and in some cases, even daily basis. Number 3, efficiency and cost reduction. Using cloud infrastructure, you don't have to spend huge amounts of money on purchasing and maintaining equipment. This drastically reduces capex costs and total cost of ownership (TCO). You don't have to invest in hardware, facilities, utilities, or building out a large data center to grow your business. Number 4, data security. Cloud offers many advanced security features that guarantee that data is securely stored and handled. Features like granular permissions and access management via federated roles can restrict access to sensitive data only to the employees that need access to it, and by that reducing the attack surface for malicious actors. Number 5, scalability. Cloud-based solutions are ideal for businesses with growing or fluctuating bandwidth demands. If your business demands increase, you can easily increase your cloud capacity without having to invest in physical infrastructure. This level of agility can give businesses using cloud computing a real advantage over competitors. Number 6, collaboration. Cloud environments enables better collaboration across teams. Developers, operations, security and product architects are all exposed to the same infrastructure and can operate simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes. Cloud roles and permissions help with better visibility and monitoring on who did what and when to avoid conflicts and confusion. Number 7, unlimited storage capacity. Related to the scalability benefit above, the cloud is essentially unlimited capacity to store any type of data in various cloud data storage types, depending on the availability, performance and frequency the data has to be accessed. The rule of thumb is that the cost of storage goes up according to the levels of availability of the data, performance and access frequency. Creating and optimizing the cloud cost structure policy can reduce the cost of cloud storage significantly while maintaining the company's business goals related to data storage in the cloud. Number 8, backup and restore data. The fact that data can be stored in the cloud without capacity constraints also helps with backup and restore purposes. As end users' data changes over time and needs to be tracked for regulations or compliance reasons, older software versions can be stored for later stages in cases they would be needed for recovery or rollback. Number 9, disaster recovery. Having previous versions of software stored in the cloud and having production instances running on multiple cloud availability zones or regions allow for faster recovery from disasters. If your application is deployed on multiple locations and for some reason one region goes down, the traffic can automatically failover to the working regions without any interruptions to the end users. In other cases where there is a major bug in the software release, a quick rollback can be initiated to restore a previously released, more stable version to minimize damage. Number 10, mobility. Cloud computing allows mobile access to corporate data via smartphones and devices, which is a great way to ensure that no one is ever left out of the loop. Staff with busy schedules or who live a long way away from the corporate office can use this feature to keep instantly up to date with clients and coworkers.